Welcome to your step-by-step guide on how to make stunning giant rose leaves. Here's everything you need to get started. You'll need a paper clamp, floral tape, a pair of scissors, a glue gun, floral wire, a ruler, glue sticks, green 180 grams crepe paper, and of course your rose leaf templates. You'll get a larger one and a smaller one. Unroll your crepe paper and measure 27 centimeters from the bottom up, then cut. Next, turn the paper horizontally and cut it in half. Take one of those halves and rotate it vertically and cut it again. Finally, cut all those pieces diagonally. Now it's time to pair up your diagonal pieces so that the grain of the crepe paper direction points upwards and outwards. Add a little bit of glue to the edge of the paper and press the floral wire in place. Add more glue to either side of the wire and gently overlap the second half of the paper, pressing it down to seal everything together. Use a paper clamp to secure your template to the layered paper, then carefully cut out your leaf shape. Repeat the process for your two smaller leaf templates. To add texture, use your thumb and finger to gently crease along the grain of the paper, creating natural folds. Repeat this several times on each leaf. Now gently stretch the edges to give a soft frothed look for a more realistic effect. Wrap floral tape around each exposed wire stem. Once that's done, gather all 3 leaves and secure them together with floral tape. Cut a 2 cm strip of crepe paper. Stretch it and glue it around the base of the stems to hold them together. Then attach them to your main flower stem. Cut another strip of crepe paper about 3 × 10 cm. Stretch it and glue it around the pipe stem at a downward angle to hide any seams. Finish by gently bending the wire at the center of each leaf to give them a more natural and organic look. And here it is, your beautifully crafted set of giant rose leaves, ready to complement your flower in the most elegant way. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects, and check out the description box below for other templates and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!